Okay, it's the key for the in-class practice for 5.1. Straight anti-power rule. We have x cubed minus 14x plus 5. Well, this would be x to the 4 over 4, add 1, minus 14x squared over 2 plus 5x plus c, or x to the 4 over 4 minus 7x squared plus 5x plus c as your final answer. So when you're integrating, you're adding 1. Now this is the integral of x to the minus 2 dx. So what is this? This is x to the minus 2 plus 1 over minus 2 plus 1 plus c, which is x to the minus 1 over minus 1 plus c, or it turns into minus x to the minus 1 plus c. First thing you want to do is you want to rewrite this as x to the 3/2 power plus e to the x minus 1/4 x to the minus 3 dx. Well, this would be x to the 3/2 plus 1 over 3/2 plus 1 minus 1/4 x to the minus 3 plus 1 over minus 3 plus 1. Oh, I forgot the e to the x, plus e to the x plus c. This would be x to the 5/2 divided by 5/2 minus 1/4 x to the minus 2 over minus 2 plus e to the x plus c. Or remember what happens to the 5/2. 5/2 will flip to become 2/5. So this will become 2/5 x to the 5/2. This 2 becomes, this then becomes minus 1/4 times 1 over negative 2. That becomes a positive 1/8 x to the minus 2 plus e to the x plus c. Poor planning on my part with the denominators that I have there. Okay, this is 4. Now, the antiderivative of e to the 3x, k is 3, so it's 1 over k, e to the kx, or e to the 3x, minus, well, this is 8 over x, which is 8, then the natural log of the absolute value of x. The integral of a constant, that's 1, would be 1x plus c. Now this is just straight natural log. So if you think about this, this is the integral of 5 times 1 over x minus 4 e to the minus x dx. That's natural log. That's e to k. K is negative 1 in this instance. This is 5, natural log of the absolute value of x, minus 4 times, k is minus 1, so it's 1 over k, e to the minus x plus c, or 5, natural log of the absolute value of x, plus 4 e to the minus x plus c. Now this is 3.5, so this is a natural log of 5 is just a number. So this would be x to the minus 3.5 plus 1 over minus 3.5 plus 1 plus the natural log of 5 is just a number times x plus c, which is going to be minus x to the minus 2.5 over 2.5 plus, most of the time when we have something like this with an x, we'll put the x in front so that you don't think it's part of the 5 plus c. On this one, you need to use the division property. So monomial division, this is the integral of x squared over x minus 2x over x plus 3 over x dx, which is the integral of x minus 2 plus 3 times 1 over x dx. This is x squared divided by 2, so x to the 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 minus 2x plus 3. 1 over x is natural log of the absolute value of x plus c. In this instance, what I'm going to have to do is to FOIL this so that this then becomes the integral of 4 times 2, that's 8, and then plus 2 to the 6th plus 4 to the x to the 6th is plus 6x to the 6th. So 2 plus 4 is 6, and then this would be plus x to the 12th dx. 8's a constant, so that's going to be 8x plus 6 times x to the 6 plus 1 over 6 plus 1 plus x to the 12 plus 1 over 12 plus 1 plus c. So this is 8x plus 6x to the 7 over 7 plus x to the 13 over 13 plus c. Now this is a differential equation. This is straight out. Multiply both sides by dx. So you'll have that dy is 3x squared plus 5x minus 6 dx. Take the integral of both sides. The integral of dy is just y. The integral of 3x squared is 3. This would be x to the 3 over 3 plus 5 x to the 2 over 2 minus 6x plus c, or that y is x cubed plus 5 halves x squared minus 6x plus c. Last problem is the same type of problem, only this time they want you to find c. So multiply both sides by dx, so that dy is 6x to the 5th minus 2 over x dx. Integrate both sides so that y is 6x to the 6th over 6 minus 2 natural log of the absolute value of x plus c, or y equals x to the sixth minus 2 natural log of the absolute value of x plus c. Now this is your general form. When I'm interested in something specific, and it says if y equals 4, x equals 1, so 4 would be 1 to the sixth minus 2 natural log of the absolute value of 1 plus c. Natural log of 1 is 0. So 1 equals, or 4 equals 1 plus c, or c equals 3. So my answer would be y equals x to the sixth plus 2 natural log of the absolute value of x plus c.